Welcome back to Crypto Bundy. Thanks guys for joining us on another video. In this video, we're going to be going through the process of installing Trust Wallet on your computer and doing the basic configuration. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to flick you over to my screen. Here we go. So we need to go to trustwallet.com and I will leave the link to this website below. And then once we are on this website, we then go to the download section. Now we're going to be downloading for Chrome. However, it is available for iOS and Android devices. I will say this quickly. I personally don't recommend that you install anything to do with crypto, such as a Web3 wallet, on a mobile device that you're using for your daily. Anything that has email on there or social media platforms on there, there is a risk that you can click on a dodgy link, such as a wallet drainer link, and suddenly you lose all your assets. So please guys, best practice would be to have a device dedicated to your crypto. So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be downloading for Chrome. Now what this is going to do, this is going to populate the Chrome web store, take us to the link, and we're going to add to Chrome. We're going to add the extension. And once we have added the extension, it is available. Now, what I would recommend doing is hitting this extension button here and pinning it to your toolbar at the top here. It just means every time you open up Chrome, this Trust Wallet icon here will be accessible, so it's easier to get to. Now, we are going to be completing the process of setting up a new wallet. This password here that we're setting up is the password to secure your wallet so no one else can access your money or your tokens. So every time you open up Chrome and you click on the Trust Wallet icon here, it would ask you for your password. One thing to note here is Trust Wallet cannot help you in giving you your password that you set here. They cannot help you in giving your seed phrase once you have created your wallet. So if you forget your password, you will then need to set up a new wallet and import your wallet back into there. Let's go next. Now, this is just giving Trust Wallet the access to get some data from you. They're not going to collect in IP addresses or anything to do with seed phrases or anything like that. So it doesn't really faze me whether you share your data or not. I'm just going to select share. So your wallet is ready to use. Okay, so at this stage, I haven't actually, I haven't had a look at the seed phrase. What's happened is we can hit open wallet, close. Now, what we then need to do is once you've installed Trust Wallet on your computer, you then need to take down the seed phrase. This seed phrase is critical. If you forget this seed phrase, if you misplace this seed phrase, and for whatever reason you lose access to Trust Wallet on this computer, then you lose access to your wallet, your on-chain wallet. So all your tokens that are in there, you've lost. So you need to make sure that you are storing your seed phrase in a secure area. My recommendation is you do not store your seed phrase or your private keys online. You must keep them in an offline, like write them down somewhere and keep them in a safe deposit box or the like. Definitely don't store them in a password, like a password management tool or anything like that, because there has been incidences in the past where these type of platforms have been hacked. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this. Now, I'm going to come back once I've done this and I'll show you a few things about Trust Wallet. You have to do exactly the same thing, but obviously I'm not going to be sharing the seed phrase that I'm using for this tutorial. Okay guys, welcome back. I have taken down the seed phrase and I've verified that seed phrase by selecting the words in order, and this is back on the Trust Wallet page. Now, this icon here, so the fourth icon from the right is the network icon. So we are currently on the Ethereum network. So if you wanted to change your network, all you do is you select the network you want to change it to. So let's go off and change it to BNB, which will be the smart chain. This is giving you access to all your different tokens this is sort of the most common tokens on those chains. So let me then go back. Now, you will need to select the network on if you are going to go off and do a swap. So if you, let's say, go into Pancake Swap, which is the Binance chain decentralized exchange, the most common one, you'll obviously need to change it over to the BNB chain. If you are going to do any trading on the Ethereum network, which is the most common decentralized exchange on the Ethereum network, is Uniswap. You will just need to go through and swap your network over. Now, if you do have a token that is not displaying in this list here, or you want to add a token, what you can do is you can scroll down and select Manage Crypto. From here, you can type in a crypto that you want to add. So for example, let me add the BEN token, which is on the Ethereum network. So we go add, go back, and there we have. We've added the BEN coin token, which is on the ERC20 chain. If you wanted to get your wallet address, this icon here is your address. So next to the switch networks, you've got address field. And what we do is select the chain that we are on. And so let's go to the Ethereum network chain. And here you go. This is your wallet address. So let's say you are wanting to withdraw tokens from a centralized exchange out to your new wallet that you've just set up. You will then need to go and you need to make sure you get the right chain. But see this number here, it ends with B5BF. If we then go to BNB Smart Chain, you will see you got B5B5, which B5BF, which is exactly the same wallet address. Most of the chains you will find will have the same wallet address on them, especially the most common ones. So what you do if you are going to send some tokens on the Ethereum network out of your centralized exchange, you select copy address here, and then you would paste that address into the withdraw address in the exchange that you're on. This address here can also be used to look up a block explorer. So we go to Etherscan, which is the block explorer for the Ethereum network, and you can paste this address in here and it will populate all the transactions and the token transfers that you have done for that wallet. Now, this is obviously a brand new wallet with nothing done on it so far. But yeah, I think that will pretty much wrap up what we want to cover in this wallet on the how to set up a trust wallet. Thanks, guys. Look forward to seeing you on future videos.